Guys, you must have seen the video. You can also create AI videos exactly like this. First of all, let's take a look at this channel. This channel has uploaded around 50 videos, has around 18K subscribers. If you check this channel's estimated monthly income on YouTube and social media analytics platforms, it's around $11K per month. And this channel is also monetized. And if you look at the channel, it's actually a very good performing channel. Just look at the views. One of its videos has 2.6 million views. Another video has 1.4 million views. And there are many more videos getting millions of views. One of its videos has even reached 18 million views, and another one has 2 million views. As you can see, this channel is getting millions of views, and it is growing really well. And you can also create videos like these very easily. In this complete course, I'm going to show you everything step by step, including how to use reference to video, how to create similar videos with completely new ideas, and how you can create this type of content for your own channel. I'll show you exactly how we can take a new idea, create videos similar to this style, and use them to grow our own channel. So, let's get started and see how we can create trending AI videos like these. First of all, guys, you need to open flova.ai. Once you open flova.ai, let's get started. Use my link in the description to sign up on Flova and get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can also earn an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova and completing the onboarding steps. First, simply copy this prompt. This is the master prompt, so you can copy the entire prompt at once. Here you need to select the Seedance 2.5 model. It's a really powerful model, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Once you use this model, it can create some amazing videos. Even if you want to create a longer video, you can generate 30-second clips and then combine them to create a video of any length you want. So, with just one prompt, it can create a complete 30-second video. Let me show you how it works. Another great advantage is that it works really well with reference images, which I'll also show you how to use later. Now, I'll click on Generate. As soon as I click Generate, the video generation process will start. You can see it right here. First, this option will appear. Simply click on Next. After clicking Next, it will analyze all the prompts and automatically create multiple prompts for you. Maybe 5 prompts, 6 prompts, 7 prompts, or as many as you need, depending on your requirements. Again, I'm using Seedance 2.5 here. As I mentioned, it can create a 30-second video in one go. So I'll select a 9-minute video for this tutorial. You can choose a longer duration if you want. It's completely up to you. I'm using Seedance 2.5 right now, so I'll select it and continue. Then it will analyze everything again and determine how many seconds each section needs to be. You can choose the duration you want, and the system will generate it accordingly. After that, you'll see another option. Once everything is ready, simply click on the video. Okay, this will update the story, and then the storyboard will appear. As you can see, the storyboard has now appeared. It may take a little while for the storyboard to be generated. After that, select Seedance 2.5 again. Now it will start analyzing everything. After the analysis, it will go through the process step by step, confirming, analyzing, generating prompts, and preparing everything automatically. It will take a little bit of time. You can also see that the images are being generated first, and the image results look really good. I'll also show you later how to use reference images to get even better and more consistent results. After a short while, all the images will start generating. As you can see, it's creating images in exactly the same style as the channel I showed you earlier. And look at the results. They're really impressive. It's generating the type of images we wanted, with the same kind of cinematic style. You can see that it's showing you different scenes one by one, and the overall results look really good. After that, you need to select Seedance 2.5 again. Make sure you select it properly. The system will automatically adjust the duration and decide how many seconds each clip should be. Then simply click Send. As soon as you click Send, it will take a little more time, and the videos will start generating. And as you can see, the videos have already started generating. It may take a little while, but it won't take too long. You don't have to waste your time waiting for hours. After a short while, your first video will be ready. Yes, guys, as you can see, the video is now ready. and the result is absolutely amazing. You can see that it has created all the scenes one by one, and they look really impressive. The kind of 3D animation we wanted is exactly what it has created. The result is incredible. Everything has been created exactly the way we wanted. You can see for yourself how amazing the final result looks. So you can also create videos like this using this tool. Now let me show you another benefit. Simply click on Export. Once you click Export, all of these files will be downloaded. You can then open them and easily save them or download the individual files separately. Now that everything is ready, let me show you one of its main features, Reference to Video. You simply need to upload a video here. Click on Reference to Video and then select the video you want to use. For example, I want to use this video. Now, I want to replace the turtle with a rabbit and remove the turtle completely while keeping everything else exactly the same. So, I'll type replace the turtle with a rabbit and remove the turtle completely. Keep everything exactly the same. Basically, I'm telling it to replace the original animal with a rabbit. I'll paste the prompt here. It will take a little while, but it won't take too long. This is what reference to video means. You can take an existing video and give your own instructions about how you want to modify or recreate it. First, it will understand the scene. For example, it will recognize that there is a turtle in this scene and understand what is happening. Then, you simply tell it, okay, make a video. You just keep giving it instructions according to what you want, and it will generate the video for you. After a short while, you can see that the rabbit has now appeared in the video. Look at how amazing the result is. The turtle has been replaced with a rabbit exactly as we wanted. So basically, this is what reference to video means. You can use any video as a reference and give it your own instructions to create the result you want. How you can easily create videos using this tool. And as you can see, the video is now ready. The turtle has been removed, and a rabbit has appeared in its place. This way, you can create and customize videos however you want. Simply visit the website and choose the package that works best for you. They have some really great plans, including annual plans, and the overall packages are quite good. I would definitely recommend checking out this website and getting a plan if you want to create your own AI videos, start an AI channel, or create any kind of AI content. It's a really impressive website with some amazing features. Thanks for watching.